Hello everyone, welcome, thank you for joining, and definitely thank you for coming along. So tonight I've got a bit of something different tonight. I thought tonight what I would do is I'd show you how I apply magic juice from Stadium Pen Blanks, and I think this is good. So I thought I'd share it with you all. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy. If you do, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you want to, and leave a comment afterwards. Thank you very much. See you soon. So there we go, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we use the lathe speed at around 2,400 to 3,000 RPM. So I've just changed the belt because the record power on the middle belt, which I normally use, is around 500 to 1800. So I've just changed it to the high speed belt, which is 1200 up to about 4000. It's just clocked on there. So we need a pencil eraser size piece. Let's just move these out of the way. Don't get them out of order. I like this. You've got a little twist top. You just twist it. This one's white, so it's not really going to see much. I would say that's an eraser size. Now, I don't know if it's supposed to be put on the lathe running or stationary, but I'm going to do it stationary. This thing's not going to fly off at me. Turn that up. Yep. Wow, that's step 1. It's already got a nice shine on it. Step 2. So open the lid this time, Andrew. This is like a cream. Okay. Back up to 3,000. Hold on to your potatoes. And for number 3, you can see there it's really starting to shine. And we're only on step 2. Well, this is step 3. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Too much. I'll just get it covered and I'll use another piece. That was number 3. I did put too much on that one though. It spattered me. And it's getting shinier and shinier each time. Just keep applying, keep rubbing, so you think it's all gone. You can actually see the shimmer each pass you make. And when you start getting that a little bit more even, I'm calling it done. This is step 5. This one, got to be careful. It can get you at times. This is a real thick one. Number 5 is a little bit thicker than the others. Don't know why. Sure somebody might know. But now, speed. Make sure you know. Wow. that has got a shine on it. This is the last one, step 6. Now you could actually stop at step 5. You could stop at step 3. But what's the fun in that? That's why it's a 6-stage process. I don't know if you can see that. That has come out beautiful. Well, I hope you like this one, and thank you for staying along to the end. Well, all I can say is Magic Juice, it's brilliant. I like it. You know, if any of you guys have tried it, please let me know in the comments below. And if I'm doing something wrong, tell me in the comments below as well. Also, okay, thank you. See you later.